Today, you might have noticed that I have posted plethora of videos on AI, its concerns and questions, and lot of myth busting. You might be wondering what is happening and how did I create so many videos in such a short span of time. The thing is that I just wanted to prove a point that artificial intelligence might be creating a lot of chaos and panic out there about the job and the mass unemployment, but the truth is that AI still needs human touch. AI is an enabler and a disruptor. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to make many different technical and non-technical tasks more efficient. However, it is important to remember that it's not a replacement of human creativity and ingenuity. AI can help us generate ideas, but it is up to us to decide how to use them and where to use them. For example, I actually used AI to help me develop and produce this video and the five previous videos on AI in such a short span of time, including brainstorming ideas on where to start and how to structure my content. This allowed me to produce faster and keep my thoughts organized. But AI did not and could not capture my creativity or unique perspective that is needed to make this video relatable and engaging for the right audience. All in all, the reality is that it continues to be up to humans to help AI to do its job better. I hope that this was useful. So let's enter into this brave new era of generative AI. Thanks.